Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming video details. Resolution, codec, and length matter because they determine compression choices. Once done, open the Compressor app and import your clips from device or cloud storage. Pick the correct folder to save output. Make sure to enable fast preview or low-res proxy if the app offers it so you can test settings quickly. This first step saves time and prevents needless recompression later, and it sets the stage for consistent quality across all files. Now choose the actual compression parameters. Pick a codec like H, 264 or H, 265 for better compression, then set target resolution and bitrate to balance quality versus file size. Use presets if you want speed, otherwise tweak bitrate in kbps or a percentage to reach your target. Once configured, run a 10-30-second preview and compare the output quality against the original while checking the estimated file size. If it looks off, lower bitrate slightly or reduce resolution. Repeat until satisfied. Export the compressed file and watch the progress bar. Large files may need more time and CPU. Once finished, immediately verify playback, confirm duration and audio sync, and check the final size against your goal. If quality is poor or artifacts appear, reopen settings, try a different codec, increase bitrate, or enable two-pass encoding for better distribution. If export fails, free up storage, reboot the app, and retry. Those steps resolve most transient issues and let you complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.